Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any lines and wire harnesses from the work area and uninstall your gas tank strap and nearby exhaust components from the factory crossmember. Step 3. Begin by removing the factory crossmember by cutting and punching out its 6 retaining rivets, 2 on top and 1 on the inside bottom of each frame round. You may find it easier to remove the section by cutting the part in half. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide the part into the frame rail and loosely secure it with the included hardware, while using the former rivet holes to help with alignment. Align the center seam while tightening down the hardware with a 14mm and 15mm socket and wrench. You may need to use a series of clamps to hold the center into place. The center seam will be secured with the included upper and lower brace plates. Place the upper plate over the center of the seam and tack weld it into place. Raise the lower U-brace to meet with the upper plate edges. And tack weld it into place. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges. Completely weld the plates around the outside and inner edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your gas tank strap and nearby exhaust components, and you're done.